So it's been a couple weeks since my last video, and that's only because I tried to vinyl wrap my front bumper, which went horribly wrong. So I'm going to scratch that idea, think of something else, but I'm going to move forward with my other mods. Today I'm going to be focusing on the Vland taillights I just bought for my Challenger. It's a newer style, and it's supposed to be plug and play too. It costs about 650 bucks is what I got off eBay, and it shipped from New Jersey, which I know a lot of it was from China, but I looked for one in the US just in case it didn't work and I have to send it back, save someone shipping. I haven't opened it only because I wanted to give myself enough time to be able to record and show you guys what I'm seeing. So we're going to start with the unboxing. So this is what you're getting from Vland. Like I said, this is my first impression of this taillight too, so I don't know exactly what I'm gonna be looking at. But that didn't look too hard. I've seen that wire before. As you can tell, I didn't get the smoked option, just because, you know, these older Challengers already, they look, they have that single, you know, taillight bar across it. And the smoked option, you know, it looked exactly like that, in my opinion. So I want it to be a little different when the lights aren't on. And the last piece. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand, so I'm just going to stop the video now and take them all out the bag. Alright, so this is what the taillights look like out of the bag. Nice and clean, no scratches yet. I did do a little studying on my own when I was setting this out. Looks pretty simple in the back. Everything connects to each other, it looks like. The only thing I'm afraid that's going to give me some issues is this. Other than that, I think everything's going to be pretty simple. So I'm actually going to keep this video short and keep it as an unboxing video. I'll do another one with me taking off my taillights and installing the new ones. I think my video is the first one and the only one doing unboxing of the Vland taillights for these older Challengers. So if you like it, please comment, like, subscribe, and catch the other video when it comes up. Thanks.